We are working on my lathe today, and I am a newbie. I'm definitely not a machinist, so bear with me.
I'm making this spacer for the sprocket, right? And I got the outside turned down to what I need, but the inside I need to open up a little bit. And I don't have my little chuck won't grab it. So I got this new backing plate, and I got this new bigger 4-jaw chuck, and we got to make it fit. But the center bore of this is not even close to the center bore of the chuck right now. So we got to machine this chuck for this, or we got to machine this backing plate for this chuck to fit on here in the first place. So that's what we're going to start doing. Ooh, I got a ways to go.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. We got this chuck installed, and now we got this spacer made for the axle, and things are good. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.